Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and we got Birchbox. I was going to show you guys. We're going to hold this up really up close. I don't know if you guys can see there. But mine says Happy B-Day, like for birthday
And
Edith.
mine says, if you can see,
hers
Happy Birthday spelled out.
Yeah, hers is spelled out, and I just wondered why. Like, are they trying to be different, or, you know,
Maybe.
what the reason is?
Possible.
And we think we might have gotten the same box, so if we did, we will see, because I can't remember what
I'm
I
pretty
even...
sure we ordered the same thing.
I'm just
It was
making a
like
mess.
either pick...
Was it
nice
crap,
about
crap, or crap?
Yeah,
Like,
I was like, not...
don't get me started on Fat Fit Fun people. Like, that's like, I'm not happy at all with that, but we got the whole year, so what can we say? We did the annual. I know this one's a hard... Okay, so we'll take that while we open it.
I'm pretty sure we got the exact same thing. And I would say crap because I think there's like one thing or two that are likable in it.
And when you open it, it looks like this. There's a card that looks like that, or not card, but a paper. And the things you'll be getting. This is old school summertime. This month we're throwing it back to the carefree days of childhood with a summer fun fortune teller. Cootie catcher, anyone? Oh, it's one of those little ones that you go like that and count. That's cute. Haven't done that in a long
This
time.
is Birchbox just for subscribers, 100 extra points when you spend $50 plus with code GET 100. And this is reason number 257 to love Birchbox. I don't know what it says because it's facing you guys. When you shop with us, you automatically get rewarded. Everyone earns 10% back on all full-size shop purchases, and Aces earn 13%
Should we show our things at the same time?
Sure. So this is one of the things we did like, right?
Yeah, I don't like all their perfume, like all her kind.
We wanted to try it.
Her Moscow Mule one, I think, smells like alcohol, and I think that's the point of it, but at the same time, I don't like it because of that reason. There is Living Proof's Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. I think I could use this even though I got like a million hair treatments, but I thought it's pretty cool. I could probably use it.
I'll probably put it in a giveaway because it says like blow dry, and I'm like, well, yeah.
Then there's Koola's 30 Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. I already have this, but again, like I love my SPFs, and I should.
So this one was one of the good things. So I was saying at least a couple.
Yeah, I'd rather it be like a moisturizer, but whatever. I'll take what I can get.
So.
There's the, oh gosh, is it Lies? Wait here. I don't know how you say that. Is this the purple eyeliner?
I like the color.
But yeah, if you can see, she'll do it that way. I will turn slowly. But yeah, so there's that, and I don't usually wear eyeliner, but
well, I usually wear.
I mean, I do on days I do full makeup, but I don't
not pencils,
do
but
makeup.
wet or whatever. But I don't know what I'll do with that. But
and then this is Lipstick Queen. Take a fling with pink. I think this is one that's supposed to last a long time, so it made me want to keep it for that reason. But then I was like, do I really need another lipstick? Like I haven't used my other 100 lipsticks.
Oh, and the color says Bad Boy.
But there we go. I don't know what the side thing was for.
But it says this is supposed to be long-lasting, opaque fuchsia lipstick.
So that's cool. But even though it's really cool, I'm not going to use it. So I'll.
It says it's a cherry on top of a killer first day back outfit. So this is all supposed to be like school stuff, right?
And then I don't know why my box is already open. I was going to show that. Ilamasqua Gel Sculpts.
I might put this in a giveaway only because I'm pretty sure I still have some from like my Ilamasqua or whatever you say it.
I don't remember. Do you know what it does? I don't remember.
I always like have to look it up. Let's see, such shadow cooling sensation easy blend.
I was like, where are you seeing
To me, on the site, I think it's more like a thing to contour with. I think. Well, it says contouring gel. Oh, okay.
I don't get why you'd. I mean, if it made something tighter, that would make me feel good.
No, but like to contour, like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but I mean, I still have one. So
mine can go in the giveaway. Yeah, the box was open, so maybe we could put hers in the giveaway. I don't know. Maybe they'll both go in a giveaway. And we gotta do our giveaway. We're literally. I just told her today.
She meant to bring the stuff to show you guys.
To show you what we have in the giveaway. And I failed. My brain's not working today. But if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways, which we're doing one any moment. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.